Enclosed cabinets require only basic tools to assemble, such as a power drill equipped with the appropriate Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver. Wood glue may be used anywhere dowels are inserted to increase binding strength. When cutting open your box, always lift the seam and cut carefully to prevent accidentally damaging the product. Assemble your cabinet on a soft, clean surface so as to not damage it. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the included hardware. Locate your side panels and place dowels in each of the holes that are sized to accept them. There will be 4 along the top and bottom edges and 2 at the rear. Confirm that the groove for the rear panel is properly oriented and slide the bottom shelf into place on the dowels. Then fasten it using the wood screws in the pre-drilled holes. Now attach the top shelf in the same manner by placing it on the dowels and fastening with wood screws. Loosely fit the 2 rear support rails into place on the dowels in the side panel. Slide the rear panel into place along the groove. Attach the other side panel in the same manner as the first. Line up the panel with the dowels and press it in place, and then fasten it with the included wood screws. Rotate the cabinet and then fasten wood screws in the remaining holes on the other side. Place the door hinges into the cutouts on the door and then fasten them using the packaged screws in the small pre-drilled holes. Rotating the cabinet so that the side panel is facing down makes door installation easier. Line the door up with the cabinet and fasten it using the packaged screws in the pre-drilled holes. Repeat the same steps on the other side to attach the second door. Snap the covers into place on the hinges. Finally, attach the adhesive-backed bumpers to the doors and your cabinet is complete.